Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you TokenPocket Wallet review. Safe or scam? TokenPocket is a multi-chain non-custodial wallet available on Android, iOS, and desktop, supporting blockchains like Ethereum, BNB Chain, Tron, EOS, and more. Your private key stays on your device, never on your servers, and it offers built-in DApp browsing, swaps, staking, and resource management. But is it safe? The official app is legitimate and open source, yet the ecosystem is filled with scams, fake apps, phishing sites, and reports of block withdrawals or sudden fee demands. Pilot reviews are polarized, with users either praising its ease of use and wide chain support or warning about lost funds and poor support. To stay secure, only download from official stores, back up your speed phrase offline, and never trust links from strangers. Bottom line, Token Pocket can be convenient for small to moderate holdings, but for larger sums, stick with reputable hardware wallets or well audited alternatives like MetaMask or Trust Wallet. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.